Hi, this is a video about how I got my greenhouse for about £26 from this grey old one to a beautiful, cool looking blue one which looks really new. So I started with this grey old greenhouse which we got from someone else's garden who wanted it cleared away, and it involved dismantling everything, so that was quite a mission. We took all the screws and bolts and all the bars apart as much as we could, and then just transferred it and brought it to my garden. So I cleared the ground, and you can see there it's clear space, and rebuilt it, and then I decided to paint it. So I decided to customise my greenhouse with this lovely Bahamas Blue. So what I've done is I've painted all the metal joints, first with undercoat, and then used the Bahamas Blue on top to give it a lovely colour. Quite a high shine finish. So a lot to do, and carry on tomorrow. So next you can see some of the images as I was painting the greenhouse metal, and then I got to laying the paving stones inside, and then the final part was fixing all the polypanels, which I did using the W clips, and they were packs that I got, and just some clearance panels for £8. And then the front and back panes where they're diagonal and are very specific in size, with the original panels of glass. So I've used the Z clips and W clips to put them back in place, so it's all looking pretty good now. And also there was a long shelf panel which I've repainted, given it a fresh coat of normal fence paint, and then you can see the final effect now with all the beautiful polypanels in, and the metal work in blue looks fantastic, and it basically looks like a brand new funky greenhouse. I'd love to hear your comments and feedback or any questions, and please leave your comments below the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.